Hello, this is a short video to show you how to complete missions in the game Automata. The game is a prototype, so all the aesthetics will change over time. As you can see, I've already set up an energy machine. We're surrounded it with fences, so I'm creating energy, and I have a parasite problem as always. Just picking up some of those loots. In order to create missions, you have to head for the mission terminal. If you can see on the top of my mini-map there, I'm just going to rotate. I'm using the left and right arrow keys to rotate, up and down arrow keys to move backwards and forwards. You can see at the top of my mini-map in the top right hand corner, that light blue dot, that is the mission terminal. It will always show up on your mini-map, and if you're miles away from it, it will be in the you'll just have to head towards it in that direction. So I'm going to head towards the mission map, get around things, and in a minute, there it is, it's shown up on our screen here. So like any other machine, you walk up to the mission map and you push the E key. Because this is a prototype, I only have the one mission, and so you'll have a list of missions for each level or each map, and so because there's only one mission, it's collect 25 units of oil, and we'll do that. So I push number 1 on the keyboard, mission set. I'll just back up here. On the right, middle right of the screen, you can see I've given a brief description of what your current mission is, and it's collect 25 units of oil. So where do we find oil? Well, we've got two options. Oil is one of those things that spontaneously grows on the ground, and they appear as light blue, sort of greyish blue blobs, not to be confused with the dark blue blobs that are loot laid by dead parasites. Or we can set a machine to create oil for us, so let's try and do that. So we walk up to a machine. We need to find a machine that's capable of generating oil. We push the E key. That one isn't, and we're looking for one that says we can make oil. We walk up to this machine. There we are. It said number 1, make oil, and it does some other things, but also we'll push 1 to make oil. Oil machine set. And now, as typical, whenever you switch a machine on, it's got the creating oil flag at the top. Whenever you switch a machine on and own it, parasites will come and destroy it, or make an effort to destroy it, which is exactly what they're doing. Oh, no, they've confused each other and walked off. So this oil machine now is just spewing oil onto the ground, and we pick it up. Well, let me push the inventory key, and oil there, you can see it's that blue bottle on the right. We've got 13 and we need 25, as it says. So we keep picking them up until we have 25. We've got 28, more than enough. So believe it or not, we've just completed that mission, but we've got to go back to the mission terminal and tell it that we've completed. So the blue, again, lots of blue blobs in this video. At the top of my mini-map, you can see the little blue dot. We head towards it, the mission terminal, walk up to it, onto the green area, push E, and mission complete, well done. And the reward for completing the mission is we get another permit. Permits are explained in a previous video. Basically, a player for this prototype gets given a single permit for each machine type, which means you can create a single standalone machine of that particular type. And so I'm going to choose permit, and probably everyone's going to choose these, is number 5, energy machine. Well, what's happened is it's gone grey because I don't have a well done, you've completed this level screen, but obviously I need one of those. What's happened is we've gone to level 2, we've gone to another level now, and when you complete a level, more machines are added to the map. So I'll just skirt through this, and there are, believe it or not, now more machines added to the map. All the machines that you've already created and have already switched on remain, and what happens is the game adds more machines. Now the outcome of more machines being on the map means that parasites can own more machines, and the number of parasites that are spawned is determined by the number of machines that parasites own. So as there are more machines on the map, so parasites are very rude. As I pointed out before, they'll just bump into you. So the more machines that parasites own, the more parasites will spawn. So the game actually becomes more and more difficult with every level. Well, there we are. So what I've just demonstrated is how to get a mission, complete a mission, and in this instance, after completing all the missions of a level, you actually win the game. That's one of the ways of winning the game. Thank you for watching.